teachers. Here we go. I have here number problems. In a way, this is just like basic for number problems. The first thing to do is to identify first or differentiate these three terms that are being used in word problems, specifically in number problems. Okay. So we have here consecutive integers. When we say consecutive integers, like shall we say 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay? When we say consecutive, they're just like following each other. One is succeeding the other. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4 cannot be like 1, 5, 3, 2 like that. Okay? It's not like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like that stuff. Shall we say number 1 is x, or the first integer is x. The next one would be x plus 1. Do you know why? Because if 1 is x, that means 2 is, you just added 1, so that's why we have x plus 1. And then basing on the first term, which is x, and 3 would be plus 2, right? This one is plus 1, this one is plus 2. So we have there x plus 2, okay? Now, in 4, we have x plus 3, right? 1 plus 3 is 4, which is like that. So, if you're going to have like consecutive integers, you're just going to represent the first integer as x, the second integer as x plus 1, third integer as x plus 2, and next integer would be x plus 3, and so on. Like that, okay? Remember, consecutive integers is just like x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. Now, the next one would be consecutive odd integers. Let's say odd integers, they are 1, okay? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on, right? Now, for you to represent this one algebraically, shall we say the first one is x, okay? The first integer, odd integer is x. Look at that, plus 2, 3, you just added 2, right? So that's x plus 2, which is our x as 1, okay? Let x be the first integer, which is 1, plus 2, that becomes 3, so that's why x plus 2. And how about 5? We're just going to add what? Plus 4. So we have here x plus 4. And the next integer would be x plus 6, right? Because 7 is just, you just added 6 from 1. So to represent consecutive odd integers, we have x, x plus 2. The third one would be x plus 4. And the next one would be x plus 6. Okay, and so on. Okay? Next one. Consecutive even integers. Even integers, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. So, shall we say our x is 2, which is the first integer, or odd even integer. The next one, in 4, we just added 2. So, we just have x plus 2. And the next one would be, we just added 4, so we have x plus 4, and so on. Now, the same, actually, consecutive odd integers and consecutive even integers, they're just the same. We're going to represent this one, the first integer, or even integer, as x. Next integer would be x plus 2. Next integer would be x plus 4. Okay? And so on. Okay? So, these are the basic things that you must learn in solving algebraic word problems, particularly number problems. Okay? So, I'll be going to give you examples on how to solve word problems or number word problems using these basic things. Okay? I'll begin to show you the examples in the next video. Bye-bye.